Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Evolve Transition Infrastructure LP unit, and we have seen some sort of bounce back right now in the current trend, but we have to look at it in terms of the overall price action and what does it means when I'm talking about the current trend. So let's discuss this chart, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now let us see how the stock has been moving over here. So now let's understand the overall trend or the range first, because it's important to note down all the important aspect of this chart, and you will see how it has been moving in the overall context. Now if you're looking at this chart, you will see this range. Actually, this was one of the most important range which this stock has broken down quite comfortably, I would say. So $44 was the resistance since 2009 and then 2014, and then what we have here, the stock made a base in between 11.84 and 9.4. so the previous range was in between $9 and $44, which the stock has broken down meanwhile and made a low of 4.19. Then again it went up, started trading, consolidating, and finally broke down. Now these three levels, either you're talking about from 4.19 to 44 or you're talking about 9.4 to 44. So it was your previous range. Now the overall chart broke down, and overall if you're looking at this chart, this is a downtrending chart. So in case of a downtrending chart, whatever bounce back we can see in front of us is just for trading purpose, because for the stock or the trend to call as a turnaround, the stock must surpass $44, which is a very tall ask right now. So whatever is going to happen is simply a bounce back or a trading bounce back, which means the levels may or may not sustain. Now as of now, 4.19 is going to be your strict resistance or the biggest resistance which you have. Now looking at the current price action, so here are your two most important support levels we have here, right? So these are your two most important support levels, and here we are. So primarily 0.29 and 0.26 are going to be your stop loss. So please do not go below 0.26. 0.29 is going to be your support and 0.26 is going to be your stop loss. So please do not go below this level. Because it is sustaining above 0.29, the next target we're going to have here is 0.67. And only if the stock surpasses 0.67, we have 1.45. And the upper end of the range will be $1.9. And if only the stock moves above $1.9, the range will open up, and the target that we're going to look at is in between 3.54 and 4.19. Now as I told you, this highlighted section is the range that you need to look at as of now. You need not to think about 4.19 and beyond, because this is completely conditional, and only if the stock moves beyond 4.2, you will have the next big target, which is in between 9.4 and 11.9. And there is no way we are going to talk about $4 and above situation where the overall trend is on the downside. Also, the kind of volatility you can see in this particular stock is also a very big risk factor, because if it works for you, that's fine, but we have seen that in the last 2 years, whenever the stock makes an up move, the sustainability is a very big issue, and you can see that whenever the stock hits 1.45, it certainly comes down. So there is a big resistance which has been evolving in between 1.45 and 1.9, and that's why the most important level is not the upper end of the range but the lower end of the range. So please do not go below 0.26. So there are 2 or 3 very important things that you need to take a note on. First of all, this is just a trading bounce back. Second, there is no sustainability. There is nothing where you can see sustainability of the trend, which is completely missing. If you are indeed getting some profit, better you should take that profit and do not think about the next 5 or 10 years. For that, the stock must surpass 4.2, and then we will talk about the rest of the things. Whatever is happening is temporary. And most of all, or the most important thing over here is the overall trend is negative, and there is no indication as of now, or until and unless the stock surpass $44-45, we can't say that it's a trend reversal. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.